A single receiver supports up to 4 group-linked transmitters with multi-channel audio output. Linking can be done via the charging case or manually. Remove linked TX while leaving RX in the charging case. Place additional transmitters in the charging case for automatic linking. After powering on, press and hold the linking button on the transmitter to start linking. Select Add TX in the receiver control menu. Repeat the operation to add the remaining transmitters into the group. After completing 4TX/1 RX group linking, tap plus RX in the receiver control menu to link with more receivers. Tap Join Group on the screen of other receivers that need to join the group, confirm the verification code, and tap Link to complete the linking process. Up to 8 receivers can be linked in total. After establishing a multi-device group, you can control and manage all the devices through either the receiver screen or the DJI MIMO app. Swipe up on the receiver home screen to access multi-transmitter control interface, where all transmitters can be controlled with a single tap. Go to Device Management in the control menu to view all TX/RX IDs and battery levels within the group. Tap any device ID to access its details page, where you can remove the device from the group. To remove all linked transmitters or receivers from the group, go to the last page of the details. Additionally, after mounting the receiver to your phone with the adapter, you can use the DJI MIMO app to check battery levels and configure parameters for all group devices.